Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Porinju Veliyath's Equity Intelligence India has silently bought 2,65,090 shares. His name appears for the first time in the December shareholding pattern with a holding of 1.08%. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to share these videos. This helps the channel grow and motivates us to create more such content for you in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Praxis Home Retail, which is available at Rs 168.25 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is PRAXIS. Now Praxis Home Retail Limited is an India-based company which is focused on offering assortments in furniture, homeware and customized solutions in kitchens and wardrobes and also home improvement solutions. It operates through two segments, which are brick and mortar home retail segment and also online home retail segment. As far as the brick and mortar home retail segment is concerned, it operates stores of home fashion and home furniture under the brand name of Hometown. Also, it runs two websites, which are www.fabfurnish.com and www.hometown.in. Now, looking at the 1-year chart, the company has been a real laggard and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. The market cap of the company indicates that it's a borderline stock between a small cap and a micro cap, and the market capitalization here stands at 414.45 crores. The company is not yet profitable and hence the earnings per share and the price to earnings ratio are not applicable here. The industry PE of 130.12 indicates that the companies in this industry trade at very high valuations. The price to book ratio of 5.91 is also very high. The company did not pay out any dividends on account of it not yet being profitable, and the promoter holding is an above average figure at 56.84%. One small information though, that the company's promoter holding is placed to the tune of 1.32%. However, the figure is very small. The total debt stands at 145.983 million. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.